Welcome back friends. In this video we are going to understand advanced filter option. In the previous video we have understood how filter is being used. Now what is this advanced filter is? It is generally being used if we want the result in some other parts. Let's say when we are applying a filter in this particular data, we may get the result over here only. Now if we want the result, let's say in this particular place, or let's say in some other sheets, then we may go for advanced filter option. How to do that? Now here you may see this advanced option under data tab, so that will be used. Now here you may see the data where name, date of birth, contact, qualification and location is being mentioned, and over here separately I have mentioned the criteria, which is BA, means I want all the data over here whose qualification is BA, that is Bachelor in Arts. Okay, so you need to set your cursor over here anywhere in between the data, then you need to click on advanced. When you will do this, you will see that it has automatically selected the data, and here you will see A1 till F342 data has been selected. Now the next option that we need to give is the criteria range. So set your cursor over here and select the criteria range like this, because our criteria is qualification BA and that is being written separately, that we have made the selection. The next is a copy to option. You may see it's inactive because here filter the list in place option is only coming. However, I want the data to be placed in somewhere else, so I will select this option of copy to another location. Set your cursor over here. Now set the cursor where you want the data to come. I have selected this particular cell over here and going to click on OK, and you may see all the BA qualification data has been listed over here. Now here you may see all the BA data has been listed over here, or we have got this data. Now let me show you another example. Now here we have got two criteria. First is the qualification, which is BTech, and the location is we are looking for is Delhi. So again I am going to set my cursor over here. We'll go to advanced option, copy to another location. List range, it has made the selection automatically. Criteria range, I am selecting this for cell which contains the criteria. Copy to, I am going to set my cursor over here, and here I want the data to come and click on OK, and we have got the result. You may see the qualification as BTech and location as Delhi. All those data we have got. Okay, so let me show you one more example. Here I am going to show you example for the date. Here I am looking for the data whose date of birth is 1st 11/1990, more than this, means who have taken birth after this particular period. So again I am going to set my cursor over here. We'll go to advanced option. List range, it has made the selection. Copy to another location. Criteria range, I'm going to do the selection like this. Copy to, I want this data to come over here, and click on OK. You may see after 1990, that is 11th of January 1990, all those data has came. Okay, I'm going to show one example of number filter as well. Let's say in this sales data, I want all those data which has got like sales value of more than 50,000. So I'm going to set my cursor over here. We'll go for advanced. List range, it has made the selection. Copy to another location. Okay, criteria range, this is the criteria. Copy to here and click on OK, and we have got the result. Now if you have got the duplicacy in your data, while doing this you may select this option of unique records only. However, in my data I have got unique records only, it is not being required, so I have avoided this. Now let me show you one more important aspect of it. Now here you may see the qualification is given as MCA, so that data I want here. So in order to do that, let's say I am here, selected this data, going for advanced, it has made the selection, copy to another location. Now it's asking for the criteria range, so I have came here, I have selected this as a criteria range, and copy to, I have selected this one. Now it need to generate an error. You may see you can only copy filtered data to the active sheet. Now why this error is coming? While applying this particular tool, this inquiry sheet was activated. How? Because my cursor was here, which was in inquiry sheet, so this sheet is being considered activated. However, it is possible to get the result over here. So for this your cursor need to be here, then you need to go for advanced option. Now list range it's asking for, so I'm going to inquiry and I'm selecting this data. So I've made the complete selection by pressing Ctrl A. Okay, now criteria range, so for this I am coming here and I've made a selection of these two cells which is containing the criteria. Now copy to, set my cursor over here and selection of this particular cell and click on OK. So you may see that result is coming over here. So this is how advanced filter option is being used. This is it for the video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.